Okay, today's topic is create a console application in Salesforce. Here, how can you create the console application? Console application in the sense that means user. That means it is also called it as a training app. Training app in the sense it provides a user interface easy to work on this type of interface here. That means you will see the all records one place. That means you will access the different records also. That is called here console application. That means user easy format of application. Here the console apps are tab tab based workspaces. That means you are having the different tabs, tab, sub tab, like that different tabs are there. It is a tab based workspace suitable for the fast paced work environment here. That means by using this type of environment here, you can do your work as early as possible. That is called here console application. Here that means managing the multiple record in a single screen. That means no need to go for the every time click on application and then click on object and then click on different records. That means you will managing the all records in a single screen. That's why it reduces the time spent clicking and scrolling to the quickly find, update, and then create record. Here it will. That means you cannot spend the any time for doing different operations. Here, this type of console environment available in a different two available in a two different experiences. In classic also this console available, and then lightning experience also it available. Here that the console apps are different from the standard application. Here apps with there is a navigation is different here. The apps with the standard navigation let you open a single record at a time. However, apps with the console navigation let you open multiple records at a time. Here, one important point, here we will open the multiple records. Here, standard navigation, by using standard navigation, you will open the only single record at a time. But here, you will open the multiple record and related record open in a subtabs also. That means, in this case, you are also going to creating the different subtabs. Here comes to how to create the console application. Here I'm going to create in the console application. Here first log into the Salesforce. How can you log into the Salesforce? Login.salesforce.com. Here you are going to creating the application. Here how can you creating an application? Here if you want to create an application, go to setup. Here on setup you have a build tab. Under the build tab you have a create tab is there. Under the create tab you have apps. Click on apps. Now you are going to creating the new application. Here these are all are different application. Here delete option is there. This delete option having the one application. This application is called as a custom based application. Next move to the new. Click on move. Here you have a custom application and console application. Now I am going to create in the console environment. Here click on console. Next. Here let us take a simple console here A2. Let us assume here I'm going to create in a simple console A2 and then click on next. Here I am using the image logo as this, the Salesforce logo. And then the next thing here is I am going to adding some information. That means you may create your own custom or already existed fields are there. I am using those fields here. Here there is a cases are there, and then one account is there. Under the account here you have a let us take contacts. Here I am taking these three fields. The cases already existed, three fields, and then next. And then I'm going to creating the, that means you may create the subfield, otherwise leave it, no problem. That means it will provide an environment. For example, the contact, I am taking the subfield. Here, the contact is a subfield of account. Here, in this case here, the contact is a subfield of an account. Next, click on here. Next, here visible to all. Save it. Then you created one application A2. Here A2 is a console application. Here you want to see the console application. The environment for the console application is a different user friendly environment. Within a console environment you can access the multiple records at a time. Here how can you access the multiple records? Here if you comes to here, okay, new cases. Yeah, the environment consists of, here we have a, how many of options are there? We added the three buttons. Here buttons are object. Here one is a cases button. Here I am taking the this environment, all records visible here. That's why this is called here our console application environment. This console application environment consists of different buttons. Here for example I want to leave this one, don't save this one. Here having the one is a, this is a console environment. Here this is a, my cases, all open classes are there, recently open classes are there. Here I added three objects. One is a account. Here click on account. Here click on account and then take a one field. Here you will take any field. Here I am taking this field. uh, from the account, here I am taking the contact information. Here I am taking the contact information. Here contact is a subfield here. That means it will display on the environment here. And then I am taking the cases. All are existed in this case. Here the contact, if it comes to the this one, here these are all contacts and account information. That means every field information existed. This environment is called as a console environment. Here in this case the the contact is a subfield for the this environment. Here contact is a subfield for the account. Yeah, this is called here the creation of application in using console. Thank you.